Using the wrong vacuum? That's why your cleaning is not perfect. Let me explain vacuum types quickly. Upright vacuum. Best for carpets. Strong suction. Good for homes and offices. Canister vacuum. Best for tiles, stairs, and corners. Easy to control. Wet and dry vacuum. For water, dust, and heavy dirt. Used in deep cleaning and post-construction. Handheld vacuum. Small jobs. Sofa, car, corners. Not for full cleaning. Robot vacuum. Daily light cleaning. Saves time but not deep cleaning. Each vacuum has one job. One machine cannot do everything. Always choose the vacuum based on surface and dirt type. Wrong vacuum equals wasted time and poor results. Remember, professional cleaning starts with the right tools.